How to cut AstroTurf. AstroTurf and other artificial grasses are great alternatives to a traditional lawn. Whether you're trying to conserve water, maintain a playing field, or you just can't be bothered to mow the grass, AstroTurf has many benefits that traditional lawns cannot offer. If you do plan on installing AstroTurf, you will likely have to cut it to the proper dimensions for your space. Cutting AstroTurf can be a simple process, but take special care both for your safety and the appearance of your new lawn. Things you'll need: AstroTurf, measuring tape, permanent marker, utility knife. Roll out your AstroTurf onto the desired surface. The turf should be slightly larger than the area you intend to cover. Allow the turf to rest for 2 to 3 hours so that any wrinkles or creases dissipate. Make a mark wherever AstroTurf meets another surface, like the sidewalk or your deck. Use the measuring tape to create a straight line, ensuring that the finished result looks neat. Cut into the turf using a sharp utility knife or box cutter. If you are using the proper equipment, the actual cut should not be too difficult. Double check to make sure there are no gaps between pieces of turf and other surfaces.